what do you think about our country?
Very beautiful city. I went to the harbor today. I was like, oh, I think I fell in love.
What do you expect from this festival?
I hope to have fun with all the people, dance with lots of guys, and so if you see me, come and tell me I want to dance and I'll dance with you.
What do you think about Croatia? Are you happy here? Do you have fun? Yes, Doc?
Me too. It's my first time, but I like it too much.
I'm very happy to be here. This is for the second year. I'm very, very happy. It's hot. Great, very great.
On the lesson. I will be sitting on the first line to see all the ladies doing this. I cannot miss this.
We have a class at the same time, and I'm going to do the class because he will be joining me. I kako je?
Ko prvi put, znaš kako je, ko prvi put, svaki put je nasmijena lica, sunce, more, ljepota, vruće, ali tako to treba na moru.
Okay, Connie, can you tell us something about our country? What do you think about it? You are here for the third time. That means something.
Yeah, it's one of the most beautiful countries I know because, yeah, you have the sea, the nice weather, everything, the nice people, and very, very good dancers. So I really love it a lot.
So you are having fun.